Did you know Jeffrey Epstein funded over 74% of Bitcoin's core code development? That's right. The Epstein files dropped a bombshell on crypto's origins. Stick around, because we're exposing how elite money from his mansion shaped Bitcoin's code, and what it really means for your portfolio today. Look, Bitcoin started in 2008 as a rebel against the financial crisis. Satoshi Nakamoto drops the white paper, mines the Genesis block, and poof, vanishes in 2011. But here's the thing. Theories swirl from how finny to government ops. Now, the 2026 Epstein files add a dark twist that hits way closer to home. But here's what nobody tells you. The files debunk wild claims like Epstein being Satoshi. That's fake news, confirmed by France 24 and Yahoo, with doctored emails circulating online getting called out fast. But real emails show him reaching out to Gavin Andresen in June 2011, days before Andresen's infamous CIA briefing, and right as Satoshi ghosts the forums forever. Coincidence? Maybe not. Andresen declined the meeting, but the timing raises eyebrows about who was circling Bitcoin's early maintainers. Here's where it gets interesting. Epstein donated $850,000 to MIT Media Lab from 2002 to 2017, with a big chunk, around $525,000, tied to the Digital Currency Initiative. That cash underwrote Bitcoin's principal home starting in 2015, paying salaries for key developers like Gavin Andresen, Vladimir Vanderlaan, and Corey Fields after the Bitcoin Foundation ran dry. According to investor Patrick Riley's analysis of the commit history, there were only about 12,000 commits to Bitcoin Core before that funding kicked in. Today, over 47,000. That means 74.79% of Bitcoin's core code development happened after Epstein's money flowed in through MIT. He wasn't writing the code himself, but his donations helped keep the lights on for the people who did. This is the part that changed everything. He also cut a $500,000 check to Blockstream in 2014, funneled via Joey Ito's fund at MIT Media Lab, right during their seed round. Blockstream became central to Bitcoin's infrastructure, pushing sidechains, Liquid, and the eventual SegWit upgrade that ended the block size wars. Emails even show invitations for Blockstream founders Adam Back and Austin Hill to meet near his island, and Hill exchanging notes on the tech. Adam Back has repeatedly said no direct ties exist now, the fund divested due to conflicts. But those early connections helped tilt Bitcoin away from being cheap, fast, peer-to-peer cash toward digital gold, with higher fees and slower transactions. Was that influence accidental or engineered? Wait, it gets even worse for investors. Bitcoin's sitting at a $1.5 trillion market cap, but 2026 has been brutal, down 30% from recent highs amid volatility spikes. The Epstein files triggered fresh reputational hits. Crypto forums lit up with calls for audits, whispers of potential backdoors planted during that post-2015 Deb surge, and backlash against figures like Andresen and Back. With spot ETFs pulling in billions from institutional money, any lingering shadow of centralized elite influence could trigger regulatory scrutiny or mass sell-offs. Yet, Bitcoin's decentralization still wins out in the long run. Thousands of nodes, open source code anyone can review, no single point of failure. These links are peripheral, not core control. Or are they? So, was Epstein Bitcoin's shadow puppet master? The files say no direct founder role, no smoking gun of him dictating commits or inserting exploits. But elite networks, MIT, Blockstream, early Coinbase ties through Brock Pierce, undeniably reshaped its path from cypherpunk dream to trillion-dollar asset. The money mattered. The timing mattered. The connections mattered. What do you think? Does this change how you view Bitcoin? Does it make you question the decentralized forever narrative? Or reinforce that no one can stop the protocol once it's live? Drop your take in the comments below. Like if you're rethinking crypto origins, share if this hit hard, and subscribe to Money Matrix for more finance exposés that connect the dots the mainstream ignores.